The Clasp by Sharon. She was 4. He was 1. It was raining. We had colds. We had been in the apartment 2 weeks straight. I grabbed her to keep her from shoving him over on his face again. And when I had her wrist in my grasp, I compressed it fiercely for almost a second, to make an impression on her, to hurt her, our beloved firstborn. I even nearly savored the stinging sensation of the squeezing, the expression into her of my anger. Never, never again. The righteous chant accompanying the clasp. It happened very fast. Grab, crush, 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 release. And at the first extra force, she swung her head, as if checking who this was, and looked at me and saw me. Yes, this was her mom. Her mom was doing this. Her dark, deeply open eyes took me in. She knew me. In the shock of the moment, she learned me. This was her mother, one of the 2 whom she most loved. The 2 who loved her most. Near the source of love was this.